This one is the bare type. It's a 48 square meter. It's a 2-bedroom. Ang kagandahan po nito or advantages po ng bare type, if ito po yung kukunin po nila, you can customize the unit with your preferred design. Kung ano po yung design ang gusto nyo pong tiles, you can choose whatever you want, whatever design you want. Wala pa po siyang partition. This one is, meron po siyang 2 toilet and bath. This one is for the master's bedroom. Toilet and bath po to. Actually, may kasama na po yung mga toilet fixtures, toilet shower, kasama na po yan. Okay. Ito po, pwede nyo rin pong i-design as 3-bedroom if you want. Or 1-bedroom if you want a bigger size. But this one is preferred for 2-bedroom. 48 square meter po siya. Ito po yung ito-turn over namin. Wala po siyang partition. Because para ma-customize nyo po with your preferred design. Ito naman yung pangalawang bedroom, pangalawang toilet and bath. Okay. Okay. This is a sample of a bare unit. Okay. Kayo na po ang ng tiles. Pero may paint na rin po siya. Ang wala lang po is tiles and partition. Thank you.